Hello guys, today we are going to discuss one important tip for the planning engineer, those who want to create a schedule in the Excel instead of Primavera. So here we have one small schedule, we have the activities here and we have the duration against these activities and we have the start and finish date for these activities and we have the bar chart for these activities. Now I want to keep here only a status or the progress line here so that I can understand how much work should be completed. So for this what I will do, I will select all this entire bar chart area including the dates and I will go to conditional formatting, here new rule, and then use formula to determine which cell to format, and here I will write the function if bracket, and now I will select the first cell of this range and I will freeze only the row is equal to, if it is equal to the date, I need the display is true, else false. And now I want to keep the format as line, the border as red, and I want to keep only the right border as red, and I will click OK. OK. So now if you see here, this is the 18 and we have this border as red. Now if I change this date to the current date 26, see now this line is moved here, the border highlighted is now after 26 because today the date is 26. So as per the red line, now we can clearly understand that how much activity should be completed, means the first two activities should be completed and the third should be in progress as per the current bar chart or the current schedule. And what are the activities which we have to start or which is in progress can be determined from this line. So for the better understanding, we can format our bar charts in the Excel by adding a progress line, same like in the Primavera. It will give us the clear understanding of the reading of the bar charts.